Greetings to all the devoted audience. Welcome to KPS Weekly. We are bringing you the exclusive news and updates of Krishna Public School, Raipur. And today's headline is Colorful Programs Organized in KPS on this Teachers' Day. In India, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day as a mark of tribute to the contribution made by teachers to society. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a staunch believer of education, a well-known diplomat, scholar, the President of India, and above all, a great teacher. In 1965, some of the prominent students of late Dr. S. Radhakrishnan organized a gathering to pay obeisance to that great teacher of repute. In that gathering, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan expressed his deep reservation regarding his birth anniversary celebration and emphasized that his birth anniversary should be celebrated as Teachers' Day to pay homage to the other great teachers of India and Bangladesh. Since 1967, 5th September has been celebrated as Teachers' Day till date. Krishna Public School organized an event specially dedicated to teachers. The event commenced by lighting lamps in front of Devi Saraswati. Afterwards, various cultural programs like singing, dancing, quiz shows, etc. were performed by teachers. Ardhanarishwar classical dance was performed by Tarun Sharma, Anita Bhatt and Kamlesh Markam. Dr. Shushma Mishra, Anamika Chaudhary, Abhishek Banerjee, Neeraj, Swapnil and crew performed Kabir Vani. Teachers from Shailendra Nagar, Sundar Nagar, Rajendra Nagar, Shankar Nagar, Tulsi and Dunda participated enthusiastically in this celebration.
सरस्वती उपकार कर मेरे कंठ में भर ज्ञान स्वर, हर ओर फैला तम घटे, हर ओर फैला तम घटे, नव प्रात सा जीवन बने, हर ओर फैला तम घटे, नव प्रात सा जीवन बने, रख शीश मेरे वरद कर मेरे कंठ में भर ज्ञान स्वर, मेरे कंठ में
घूमर रंग
Chairman Mr. M.M. Tripathi and Executive Director Mr. Ashutosh Tripathi shared the value of education and teachers in life through stories. Director of Krishna Kids Academy, Ms. Sharmila Soor, remembered beautiful moments with children before the pandemic. And Principal Ms. Priyanka Tripathi shared her views on the evolution of teachers during the pandemic.
और बच्चा जो है वो भीगे हुए घी का बाती है, तो क्यों नहीं आप उस दीप को जलाएं, रोशन करें समाज को, और फिर हम सब जितने यहाँ एकत्र हुए हैं, सारा समाज जहाँ भी मिले, वो हम सब लोग मिल करके तब कहीं डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का, जिन्होंने अपने 1962 के प्रथम बर्थडे जन्मदिन पर हम लोगों को समर्पित किया था, ये महान गुरु, महान पैट्रियट, महान डिप्लोमेट, महान पॉलिटिशियन, ऐसा जो आचार्य, ऐसा जो राजनीतिज्ञ, ऐसा जो डिप्लोमेट है, उसके इस जन्मदिन पर हम तभी सचमुच में अपने भावनाओं को, अपने उन विचारों को, और इस देश में जो चल रहा है समाज जिसमें विकृतियां हैं, उनमें उनको हटा करके और एक नए समाज की रोशनी देने के लिए हम सब सन्नद्ध हो जाएं, तभी होगा आज के दिन का हमारे जुटने का सही फल.
To do, it is very unfortunate we were not prepared for this pandemic. Now I hope that it will go, and the school really building, empty building is haunted. So it is without student, we don't. I don't want to step down even in the school. It feels their noise, their activities, it always attracts, isn't it? Without student, I felt very sad actually in this way. So now hopefully sir told me just, Ashutosh sir, कि we are going to start the school, and you people will again cheer up and enjoy. And happy Teachers Day to Ashutosh sir, that great leader of our school. Happy Teachers Day to.
कहने का क्या तात्पर्य है? When we write global citizens in our vision statement, we were nurturing all our stakeholders, teachers, parents, students, staff, to become global citizens. What do we want? Ayam nija paroveti ganna laguchetasam udara charita naam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam.
You evolved, you adapt, you learned, and you were there with the students. Earlier, whatever we used to hear, that everything is in the cloud, you use a Google Sheet, you use a Jamboard, you use a whiteboard, everything was so very new to all of you. As a teacher, we have learned a lot. Then we were supposed to unlearn whatever we have learned. And then again we have to relearn. So this is the beauty and the journey of unlearn and relearn, and this is what you are. A big clap for all of you, for all the teachers who has covered this journey, a beautiful journey.
After beautiful cultural events, a quiz show was conducted for Shankarnagar, Sundarnagar, Rajendranagar, Shailendranagar, Tulsi and Dunda participated in the quiz.
एक मैं और एक तुम दोनों मिले इस तरह, और जो तन मन में हो रहा है वो तो होना ही था. अंतरा देखना अंतरा. आधी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए, पर उसकी